In this problem we have to find the value of a if the distance between the point a comma 2 and 3 comma 4 is square root of 8. So here we are writing the given points. A is equal to a comma 2 and the second point b is equal to 3 comma 4. And in this problem distance between AB is also given as square root of 8. So we are applying the general formula. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So in place of this AB we are writing square root of 8 is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. So from here we will get the values of x2 and x1. This is 3 and x1 is a. So we are writing 3 minus a whole square plus y2 minus y1. So from the given point y2 is 4, y1 is 2. 4 minus 2 whole square. So square root of 8 is equal to 3 minus a whole square, keep as it is, plus 4 minus 2 is 2 whole square. On both the side we have square root, so we are cancelling the root. We get 8 is equal to 3 minus a whole square plus 4. When we take this plus 4 to the left side, it becomes minus 4. So on the left hand side we will write 8 minus 4 is equal to 3 minus a whole square. 8 minus 4 is 4 is equal to 3 minus a whole square. So here we are applying a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square means here in place of a I am writing 3, in place of b a whole square. A square means 3 square minus 2. A is 3 and b is a, plus b square means here we are writing a square. So 3 3s are 9. So we are writing 9 minus 2 3s are 6a. So this becomes minus 6a plus a square. So take this plus 4 to the right side, it becomes minus 4. So a square minus 6a plus 9 minus 4. So a square minus 6a, 9 minus 4 is 5 is equal to 0. Here we have to find the factors. So we are taking the product of first and last term. Product of first means first and last term means here we are taking the coefficient of a square. In this equation coefficient of a square is 1 and the last term is 5. So 1 into 5 is equal to 5. So we have to select two digits whose product is 5. Means when we multiply the two terms we have to get it is equal to 5, and when we add or subtract them we have to get the middle term. So 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So we are taking the two terms 5 and 1. So a square minus 6a can be written as minus 5a minus a plus 5 is equal to 0. So from these two terms I am taking a common. So a we are writing inside the bracket and minus 5. From these two terms if I take minus 1 common, again it becomes a minus 5. So here we have a minus 5 two times. So we will write one time a minus 5 and this is a minus 1. So a minus 1 into a minus 5 is equal to 0. So equate each term to 0. A minus 1 is equal to 0, a minus 5 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1. When minus 1 goes to right side it becomes plus 1 and minus 5 becomes plus 5. So we are getting two different values of a which are 1 and 5.